Now after discussing the general form, now we are having the equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 always represents a straight line provided a and b are not both simultaneously 0. Okay? So let us discuss it, what is the result. Now the given equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Let it be equation 1, or you can use small alphabets also. You can use ax, you can write it ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, one and the same thing. But already we have used all these things in the earlier equation form. So I am just using capital A, capital B and capital C just to distinguish between the two. Now the given equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and it is a first degree equation in x and y. Okay? Now we are having here two cases. Now case 1. Now in case 1 we are discussing when b is equal to 0 and a is not equal to 0. Okay? Now equation 1 becomes when b is 0, equation 1 becomes ax plus c is equal to 0 and which gives x is equal to negative of c upon a. Okay? And is satisfied by all points and is satisfied by all points lying on the straight line, lying on the straight line which is parallel to y axis and is at a distance of, that is minus c upon a on x axis by all points lying on the straight line which is parallel to y axis and is at a distance of minus c upon a units from it. Therefore, what we can write it? Therefore, equation 1 represents a straight line. So this was what our line says, that the equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 represents a straight line. Okay? Now case 2. Now in case 2 what we are having? When a is equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. Okay? Now here equation 1 becomes, now b is not 0, then equation 1 becomes bx plus c is equal to 0 and here x is equal to minus c upon b. Okay? Same thing, and is satisfied, and is satisfied by all the points, satisfied by all the points lying on the straight line which is parallel to, now it is parallel to x-axis and parallel to x-axis and is at a distance of negative of c upon b units from it. Therefore, equation 1 represents a straight line. Now, what I have done it, a small recap for you. First of all, when we are putting b is equal to 0, we are getting x as negative of c upon a. Now, negative of c upon a is a numeric value and we are knowing, we have done it that if x is equal to plus minus a, then line is parallel to y axis. Okay? So, it means it is a straight line. Similarly, when we are putting a is 0 and b is not 0, then we are getting x equal to negative of c upon b. Again a line parallel to now x axis. Okay? It means when a line is parallel to x axis, it is a straight line. So, basic thing is we can write it that ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 represents a straight line of first degree in the variables x and y.